What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel and good morning. Today I'm going to talk to you guys a little bit about what is going on with the CPI meetings that are beginning with the Fed and how this is going to impact cryptocurrency moving forward. All right, so we're going to get a lot of information with the next 2 days as Fed Chairman Powell will begin to speak on Wednesday. Okay, so we're going to take a quick dive into the charts, see how the markets are performing as the day is beginning, as well as look at an article with some of the data and predictions that lie within what is going to happen with crypto. So with that being said, hit that subscribe button down below, like this video, and drop your comments down below. What do you guys think will happen after the Fed comes and announces their minutes on Wednesday? All right, so let's get it. Now we can look into the news. We see the crypto bubbles. Pretty much all crypto is up on the day. All right, ApeCoin is having a 5% sell-off. If you look, these are some of my favorites as we look into this, and then we're gonna get into the top 100. So you can see kind of over across the board what we're looking at. All right, so BNB coin down another 3.5%. So that's one that's been interesting to look at and kind of quietly lurking with a drop-off as more and more news comes out with the FTX fallout, as well as it relates to CZ and his company. Okay, so you can see Bitcoin, Ethereum having really strong days to start the day, and Ripple. Okay, XRP is one of the coins that we have circled ready to run after we get a announcement from their legal proceedings as well. So I got other videos out today. We're going to cover a lot of your favorite cryptos. There's a lot of news within crypto, but today for this video, we're going to just talk quickly about Bitcoin and if a price crash is incoming after the US CPI data happens with the Fed rate hike. Okay, so on Wednesday, this is going to be a big week as Fed Chairman Powell begins to speak about what is going to happen with the interest rates. Okay. So right now, Bitcoin is up on the day, having almost a 2% jump into above the 17K territory, all right? So that rise is going to be followed by a lot of volatility within the U.S. stock market, okay? So this is important because this is not going to just tell us what the rate will be hiked to in December, but how the sentiment that the Fed is holding as we enter 2023 for further rate hikes, all right? So this is important because this is going to not only take into consideration what we are dealing with the FTX scandal and all of that, we are also going to get a more broader sense of inflation. All right, so these two macroeconomic tools are going to be very crucial as we look to trade into 2023. All right, so according to FedWatch tool, a probability of 50 basis points is expected. That is 72% probability. All right. Wall Street also is expecting to stick to this 50 basis point rate hike, okay? So there was a lot of rumors back in the previous rate increase in the previous minutes that the 50 basis points was expected. However, Powell did stick with the 75 basis points, okay? Now, nonetheless, the markets actually did pretty good following that until we got the horrible news coming out of FTX as well as other exchanges and basically the depegging. It was just a big mess of crypto, and pretty much if you could form a top 10 list of things that you never want to have happen to influence the price of a cryptocurrency coin, that's basically what we've been dealing with in Q4 when it relates to trading crypto. So it's good to see Bitcoin running with the news of the Fed meeting. Okay, so if you've been following the charts, we've seen a dip in the price action over the weekend. There's been a lot of it's been a holding pattern, if you will. People have their money on the sidelines. They're waiting for more certainty within the markets, okay? So it is good to see positive green, all right? So this is the big thing because now we are looking at if this is the bottom, okay? This is the biggest question we are going to have as investors and within crypto is where is the bottom, all right? So there's a lot of news that's coming out. We're going to see a lot of moves that's going to tip hands. People are going to show what cards they're holding as we enter 2023 as it relates to the big exchanges, the stable coins, and the blue bloods of crypto. All right, so I'm talking Bitcoin, Ethereum. You're going to see Binance. You're going to see stuff that they're doing on their exchange. You know, and it's going to be important. There's a lot of controversies right now with USDC and the outflows that you're seeing on Binance's exchange as it relates to USDC. So it's going to take a lot of collaboration between these high-ups and the heads of crypto, which unfortunately is not what we need and is not what crypto is the premise on, okay? So as investors, we're going to have to take a back seat and let this thing kind of play out, see what the Fed comes out with, and hopefully we can get what is soon to be a bump in the in the sentiment when we relate to crypto, because we need some positive momentum as we enter 2023. It's been long awaited, and if you are going to price in the bottom, what better way to start the new year? So that's all I got for you guys. Thank you for watching. Please hit that subscribe button, like this video, and drop your comments down below. I want to know what you guys think will happen with crypto when they raise the interest rates. So thank you all for watching. We'll see you all in the next video.